Dr. Siga Fatima Jagne, Commissioner, Social Affairs and Gender of ECOWAS Commission, has reaffirmed the Commission's commitment to carry out action plans against drug trafficking and related crimes. Jagne, represented by Mr. Mohammed Ibrahim, head of ECOWAS Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Risk Destruction, said this at the Project Steering and Coordination Committee 7th meeting of ECOWAS in Abuja. The meeting was on the European Union-funded project Support to ECOWAS Regional Action Plan on Illicit Drug Trafficking, Related Organized Crime and Drug Abuse. The meeting was organized by the ECOWAS in collaboration with United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime and the EU. She commended the EU for financial support on the project and also UNODC as technical partner to achieve implementation of the project action plan.
It provides an opportunity for us all to take stock of the achievements made, challenges being faced, and the future or additional effort required to stem the tide against drug abuse, illicit drug trafficking, and related crimes in West Africa. ECOWAS remain committed to building on what we have achieved so far, and it's also encouraging to note that ECOWAS and UNODC have substantively and organizationally been implementing this technical assistance project in a collaborative manner. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I wish to encourage this effort and urge the UNODC to continue to foster this good relationship even after this particular project ends. I want to assure you that ECOWAS is very committed and would continue to do its best with all the member states, the partners, to effectively fulfill its role in this important task within the sub-region.
For his part, the head of cooperation of EU, Mr. Kurt Cornelis, promised to ensure that the project is sustained to achieve targets. He expressed concern over transnational border crime and called for collaboration to tackle the problem as well as partnership to tackle the crime.
The EU welcomes the ongoing reflection on the draft Supplementary Act, which could represent a renewed commitment of ECOWAS member states to jointly address prevention and control of illicit drug trafficking, organized crime and drug abuse. We have a common and shared responsibility as well as an obligation to implement evidence-based measures, realistic aims and concrete public health-based policies that can make a significant improvement. It requires a long-term, multidisciplinary approach. We all need to strengthen our actions at the national, regional and international levels to accelerate the implementation of our joint commitments to address and counter the world's drug problem.
In his remarks, the UNODC country representative, Mr. Oliver Stolp, said that the UN organization advised that more needed to be done to provide lasting solutions to drug trafficking and crimes.
UNODC will remain at the service of the ECOWAS member states in the development and the implementation of their national drug control master plans and other initiatives aiming to address the multiple threats posed by transnational illicit flows affecting the sub-region and the region as a whole. We will